E is for Earth, an eco-friendly alphabet. Written by Clara Winslow and illustrated by Nathalia Takeyama. A is for Atmosphere. The layer of air that surrounds our planet is called the atmosphere. It keeps Earth the right temperature and gives us air to breathe. B is for Balance. All living things, including people, work together to keep Earth in balance. We must do our part to help our planet stay in harmony. C is for Climate Change. Climate is the average weather over a very long time. Humans' choices are making our climate get slowly warmer. Some places feel the effects of this change more than others. D is for Data. Data are groups of facts that are collected together to show patterns. Scientists gather data about the climate, which helps us notice slow changes that we can't always see or feel. E is for Earth. We all live on planet Earth. It is the only planet in our solar system with everything that living things need. Earth is an amazing place, and it needs our help. F is for Fossil Fuels. We need energy to turn on lights, use electronics, and travel from place to place. Much of the energy we use comes from fossil fuels, like coal, natural gas, and gasoline. G is for Greenhouse Gases. Burning fossil fuels creates greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide. These gases go into the atmosphere and trap more heat close to Earth, which causes climate change. H is for Hybrid Cars. To slow climate change, we need to use less fossil fuels. Hybrid cars use both electricity and gasoline. They use less gasoline than other cars. I is for Indigenous Activists. Many indigenous or native people around the globe are leading to fight to protect our planet. Activists work hard to change laws, teach others, and make the world a better place. J is for Jellyfish. As the water gets warmer from climate change, more jellyfish can live in the ocean. By counting jellyfish, scientists can see how quickly our oceans are getting out of balance. K is for Knowledge. There's always more to learn about caring for our planet. L is for Landfill. In most places, the trash from your home is sent to a landfill, where it is buried in the ground. A plastic bottle can stay there for more than 400 years. M is for Migration. Climate change can cause dangerous weather, like storms, droughts, and floods. Sometimes, people have to leave their homes or migrate because where they live isn't safe anymore. N is for Non-Renewable Resource. A resource is something found in nature that people can use. Once we run out of non-renewable resources like fossil fuels or even soil, we can't make more. O is for Organic. To grow more food, some farms use things called pesticides and synthetic fertilizers, which can hurt the environment. Organic farms don't use them. P is for Public Transportation. Most cars put out greenhouse gases. Buses and trains can carry more people, which means fewer cars on the road. Q is for Questions. Scientists learn by asking questions. Keep asking questions about the world. R is for Reduce, Reuse, Recycle. Our trash really adds up. Make less trash by using fewer single-use items like plastic bags. Before you throw something away, stop and think if it can be reused or put in the recycling bin. S is for Solar Power. The sun gives off energy as light. Solar panels collect that energy and turn it into electricity without polluting the air. T is for Trees. Trees help clean the air. They absorb greenhouse gases and make oxygen, which we need to breathe. U is for Used. Buying things that aren't new saves energy and materials and keeps items out of landfills. You can donate used clothes, toys, and books to thrift stores and charities. V is for Vegetables. Filling your plate with more vegetables and less meat is good for the planet. Raising animals for meat uses a lot of resources and puts out greenhouse gases. W is for Water. It takes a lot of energy to get clean water into your sink, shower, or sprinkler. Save water by turning off the sink while you brush your teeth or scrub your hands. X is for Xeriscaping. Xeriscaping is a way of creating yards and gardens using plants native to the area that only need rainwater to grow. Y is for Young People. Across the world, kids and teens are speaking out about climate change, and so can you. Write a letter to your local representatives and tell them to do their part to protect our Earth. Z is for zero emissions. Emissions are the amount of greenhouse gases put into the atmosphere by human activities. Greta Thunberg and other activists have called for a world with zero emissions. If we raise our voices and work together, we can meet that goal.